We think we avoid studying habits or hard tasks because we're lazy. But laziness is not the problem. The real problem is how the brain reacts to effort. Hi, this channel is about the brain, psychology, and how to live better with the help of science. Simple, easy to understand explanations of how our minds and behavior actually work. Effort feels dangerous to the brain. Not physically dangerous, but mentally. It means uncertainty, mistakes, and loss of control. The brain evolved to save energy and avoid risk. That's why familiar actions feel easy, and new or difficult ones feel uncomfortable. This is why motivation fails in school and in life. We wait to feel motivated before we start, but the brain works in the opposite direction. Research in behavioral neuroscience shows this. Motivation is not a cause of action. It is often a result of action. When effort is too big, the brain resists. When effort is small and predictable, resistance drops. That's why big goals kill motivation, and tiny steps unlock it. Studies on learning and habit formation show something simple. Progress matters more than rewards. External rewards work only short term. They don't change how the brain values effort, but visible progress does. When the brain can see, I did something, I moved forward, I improved even a little, effort starts to feel safer. The same mechanism works for studying in real life. If you want the brain to stop fighting effort, don't try to force motivation. Lower the difficulty. Make progress visible. Measure improvement, not results. The brain may never love effort, but it can learn that effort is not a threat. And that's how motivation actually begins. Level up your brain and subscribe to the channel.